to hear it before. Just as long as you back it up with the word, right? Okay, I'm just checking. This is the year of not just the open heaven, deacon, but the year of the sneeze. What are you talking about, the year of the sneeze? After Elisha laid and prayed upon the child sneezed 7 times. Now, those that do your research on sneezing is a form of a defense against anything that tries to harm the body. The year to sneeze. Sneezing is a form of defense against what desires. It didn't even hit it. It said what desires to. What desires to harm the body. And it plays as a weapon. In other words, God has said every part of the body of Christ that is dealing with any harmful attacks, germs, hidden infections, spiritual allergies, demonic migraines, God is going to allow the church to sneeze. So tell your neighbor I too. Something going on. God is going to allow while there's an open heaven. Now, I'm telling you, the open heaven got benefits. God is going to allow the church to sneeze. There's a cleansing, there's a purging, there's a delivering that's happening when you sneeze. So I say, well, I don't feel like sneezing. Ain't nothing in my nose. But you better understand there's something in the spirit that's after your open heaven. You think the devil gonna sit back and let you holler and shout about an open heaven and he not get you to forfeit it and he not get you to close it? Did you not know you have the ability to close the open heaven? Oh yes. He said 2019, your life is about to sneeze.